So before we get started, let's look at the different features. Here we have the ability to edit the video name. So we're just going to title it Mrs. Girma's Video. And then this once again takes you to the different design options that I showed you earlier. And you can pick and choose from here. I am going to choose, I'll just choose one. We'll do blue, since blue is always a great background for presentations. And then also, if you would like to add music, they have music within the app that you can choose. You have different genres or moods that you can look at. Or if you have your own music, you can also upload that as well. Once again, you can choose your ratio based on what you want it for, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. We're going to go ahead and just leave it on landscape since I will be uploading this later to YouTube. And if there's any mistakes and you'd like to undo or redo, you also have those options here. We have an export button that we'll look at later. And then here we have our media library. If there's any projects that you've already created that you want to click and download here, there is the stock images that they have, and there really is a great variety here. If we want to look, I'm just going to type in people and show you here. Different pictures pop up. You can look through there. There's also just, let's see, there's animals. And then it also gives you the option to change the ratios here, which I think is great. Or if you want photos, illustrations, let's just look at the illustrations of animals and see what's on there. And so if there's anything that suits your need, you can choose those. So it gives you the search button, and then you can search for whatever it is that you're looking for. And you can also add from your favorites if you have any already saved. Down here at the bottom, you have your play video button. And then there's add a block, which is the same thing as adding a slide. And then you're able to see here exactly what you're looking at as far as editing and adding information to your video.